Chapter 13, the left side of the shirt. As with the right side, spray a light coat of starch depending on how you like your shirt. And once again, focus on the seam between the back side and the left side of the shirt, underneath the arm. And this is the side that has the pocket, which is usually easy to iron right over. Making sure to get all of the wrinkles. And there is no buttons on this side, on the left side, depending on if you're ironing a female shirt or a male shirt. This is a male shirt, so there are no buttons, and you can just iron right over the buttonholes. For that extra iron, I do try to flip it over sometimes, try to get all the wrinkles out, but not everybody is as picky as I am. Once you've done that, you've ironed over all the starched areas. And that's it. And that's the left side of your shirt.